Hey friends, welcome back to the Strolling with Jordan YouTube channel. Today, we are doing an unboxing and review of this 1967 Chevrolet El Camino. Alright friends, let's open the box. Let's get the car out. Alright, don't need the box anymore, so let's throw it out. Alright, it's thrown out, friends. This is the El Camino from FastX. Can be optioned with a V8, but the engine it has is a 396 engine. I'm not sure on the cylinders or the displacement, but I know it was driven by Jacob Toretto, and it was modified with cannons. You can either get in a manual transmission, 3 or 4 speed manual, or a 2-speed power glide automatic transmission. This one is very cool. Let's take a tour around it. This is one of the sides. This is the front. This is the other side. And this is back. See, it is modified with cannon, yeah. If you like this video, friends, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving it a like and a comment. I'm very curious what to see you want me to record next. I have 2 more vehicles. I have a Jazz Porsche from Transformers and a Brian's Toyota Supra from Fast and Furious. Tell me what you want me to do in the comments. Alright friends, that's all for today's video, and I will see you next time. Goodbye friends.